Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is write animal's name. KG2 class. Here are 5 different animals and today we will write the name of these animals. So first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. The first animal is a cow. This is a cow. Now students, here we will write the spellings of cow like this. C-O-W, cow. Now read with me. C-O-W, cow. The next animal is a cat. This is a cat. Now students, here we will write the spellings of cat like this. C-A-T, cat. Now students, read with me. C-A-T, cat. The next animal is a dog. This is a dog. Here we will write the spellings of dog like this. D-O-G, dog. Students, read with me. D-O-G, dog. The next animal is a rat. This is a rat. Now students, we will write the spellings of rat like this. R-A-T, rat. Students, read with me. R-A-T, rat. The last animal is a fox. This is a fox. Now students, here we will write the spellings of fox like this. F-O-X, fox. Read with me. F-O-X, fox. Okay KG2 class, it is our today lesson. I hope you have understand it. Goodbye students.